So you want to know how to install Tracktion Waveform 13. Let me show you exactly how to do that. What you want to do is pull up your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and do a search. And I already have it up here, but type in tracktion.com. Right, and you're going to see Waveform 13 right here on the front. Now this is the full version. You want to do is you want to go to Waveform, click on that, and then go to free download. Right, once you go to free download, you're going to see Waveform free. This just gives you a little overview of what you can expect in the software. In the free DAW, it is amazing. It does not have all the capabilities of the pro version, but you can do a lot within this software. Now, in order to actually get it, you first need to go through, create your account. So put your first name, last name, your email, password, I agree, and then press sign up. Once you have signed in, you'll see, thank you, your download is now ready to install via the download manager. The software will prompt for your Tracktion account. Right, so you want to do is press download, right? And once it downloads, you should be able to click on it. You should see a message that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And then you say yes. Right, you'll see this come up. I accept the agreement, and then press next. Let you know that there are some things that are different about this particular version. Press next, and press next, and install. Right, and then launch Tracktion Download Manager. Right, once that comes up, now of course I had it installed anyway, but it's okay to install it again. You're going to notice that there are different versions on here. I had Waveform Free 12. Now when I downloaded Waveform Free 12, 13 came out like a few months later. So I can get rid of 12, but I just keep it on here just to keep it on here. You can see that there's a new update, 13.12 just came out. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. Now you may see install. All right, but I'm not going to install it this time, but you will install it. I'm going to go ahead and update it. And then while I'm waiting on that, I'll just let you know, hey, this is a new channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about what you see or if you have any issues with anything in Waveform. Okay. Now that you have it installed, you should be able to open it up. Now I can click on my toolbar, I can click on the desktop, or you can just do a search for it. Waveform 13 app. I'm going to it up, and it should let me know if it has the most current version, or in your case, you probably will have the same version that I have. I'm going to press agree. All right, I've got some projects that I already had it load, so we can move to the next step. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to use Waveform. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial, so definitely look forward to that in the next video.